Hello guys, if you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay, and I know like it's so early for most of you guys on a Saturday, but what is it like? For me, today after how many days, I would say almost more than a year, I'm heading out to temple, so I'm really excited. So got ready so early after yesterday's what's it like live, and thank you so much for all the support yesterday and the encouraging words. You know how you feel guilty of your what's it like when you hoard things, but it made me really nice. Like it was like so nice to have all of you who are on traveling along with me who felt the same way. Hi Madhu, good morning. Thank you for hopping on. I know like for you it's still early. That's what I was saying. Like I'm heading out to temple today. So I wish Madhu, you can just see this one alone, which I matched with the earring I showed yesterday. So today it's not a bangle I've yet. For me, I'm heading out to temple. Today is. What is it like after a year I'm going to temple, so I'm really excited because as you know, with COVID we missed so many things, and that's one of that. So sorry Madhu, I know being a East Coast person I always do my videos or things early. I try for sunset pictures, but somehow I like my pictures in the daylight because that way I will never put any filters or any what is it like, I don't have to work on anything. So thank you Madhu, thank you so much. So I think I have done a smoky eye yesterday. If you see, today's look was a halo eye. Hi Anu, good morning Anu. Today see I wore the lavender shimmer. I think Anu has the lavender shimmer. Thank you Anu. Thank you Madhu, thank you so much. So today it was like halo eye. A halo eye is nothing but what you do is you do a different color on your what's it like both sides, and do a contrast in the middle. It doesn't have to be too much contrast. You can even do like what's it like a sandstone pearl shimmer, something like that. Anything should work. So for today, if you know my eye looks, usually I do my base as thank you Madhu, I do like my what is it called, natural tan as my color corrector, since it's more of a pink eye look I would say. So I wore this is nude pink, which is like a very base yellow, I mean pink shade. So that's the one I have used all over to color correct. And the next one is I have used desert rose in my crease color. You always need one color to set your crease, so that's the one I have used. And I have used rustic brown for my outer and inner corner, and also on my eyebrows. And thank you Anu. Yesterday's live I showed it. It's from what's it like it's from Abita actually. So it's a Kemp stone jhumka. So I matched the same bangles I bought from her. This is like a set I bought from her when I got both of them. Yeah, so this look, I didn't wear anything for my neck because I wore like a belt, and I wore the ikat dress from Kusuma. So so this is the eye look I tried. So it's my favorite, like that. As I said, this is my first one. Hi dear, hi Kusuma, thank you so much for hopping on. See, I am going to post the dress. I was like, I can't wait to wear this dress. That's how it felt. So for going to the temple today, yeah, so this is lavender shimmer. I think Anu has it. It's such a pretty shade, and whatever you see on the tube, it's all color. Like I mean, it's all the product. Like so, you get so much product for this type. And thank you Madhu. So that's how much product is there in each tube. So you each color you will be able to curate on what kind of palette you want. Thank you Madhu, thank you. I hope my husband cooperates to take the picture or else I need to hire someone. That is how. Thank you Anu. So I just wore the black liquid liner on top, and I used black on the waterline, and I have also used the rustic brown to smoke out my lower lash line. If you see, it has a little bit darker shade. That's because I used the same rustic brown. And for my lips, I wanted to match the shade exactly. So what I did was I used the new Purple Rain. He will come, but he will give me like 5 minutes to take the picture, so I have to be like quick to see what and all I need, and then I'll be like, take 2-3 pictures, then I will see which one has come good. That's how we do. So I did Purple Rain for my lip, and I did Huckleberry gloss on top to make it more pinkier. As you can see, they both coordinate so well. So I tried to do something other than glossy gloss, so that's one I wore for today. So this is the look. So if you have never tried what's it, like a halo eye look, I know I don't know why they hate pictures. Seriously, life is about all memories and all these pictures. See, when I'm 60 or something, even I can go back and see pictures, so at least to see, oh okay, at least once I dressed up all those stuff. Thank you, Madhu. Thank you, Anu. Hopefully he takes some pictures today and the weather is nice out. So let's see. It is Huckleberry gloss with Purple Rain. It's the new Purple Rain. We had a Purple Rain earlier that used to be more of purple tint, but this new Purple Rain is little pinkier. So I added the Huckleberry gloss on top to match the shade actually. And actually I'm using the overnight lip mask. I feel like my when I use that, the mornings my lip is really plumpy and soft and hydrated, and that way the lip sense goes so smooth. So recently I'm so obsessed with that what is it like, and this is my first belt. Kusuma suggested me to get a belt, so I got one. Yes, Madhu, I think your list is growing every day by the time I come back, so that's how it is. And thank you for hopping on so early, and I will make a video. I don't know whether I have a video on what is it like the any halo eye look, and with Shadow Sense you don't have to worry about it at all. Nothing is going to come out until end of day, until you remove it. And the same way with lip sense, so I don't have to worry about whether it transferred to my dress or whether it's going to transfer to anything I touch. So the whole day it will stay, even if I don't have to remove. Even yesterday after the live, I went for my walk with a smoky eye and a red lip, and I just changed my outfit alone, and I went for that because the weather was so nice yesterday. So once you move to these products, that's the cool benefit. And these days I will make a video separately. What I'm doing is I'm doing powder with the foundation. I really like how the matte finish it gives, so maybe I will do a video on that too. Hi Kavita. Kavita, I wore the dress. Kavita, I'm going to take the pictures now. I'm heading out to temple. My husband finished all the puja now at home, so I'm going to head out, and I will catch you guys tomorrow with a new content, and you all enjoy your Saturday, and see you all soon. Bye bye. Take care.